we're going to do a short body scan awareness practice. So those watching, you can do this seated or laying down, and just find a comfortable spot right now if you can. And if you wish to close your eyes, you can do that, but you don't have to. You can keep a soft gaze if that feels better for you. And we're just going to start by settling into wherever you are at this moment. So just feeling your body being held by whatever it's being held by at this moment. So if you're sitting in a chair, notice the chair, notice your body in the chair. If you're laying down, notice the sensation of the floor or the bed or the couch holding your body and where those points of contact are. And then here you might want to take a nice big breath and extend the exhale and just let it out, let it slow down. Let it bring everything down to a little bit of stillness for you. And then coming down to the soles of the feet and just feeling into the soles of the feet and just noticing or observing anything that you find there. There is no right or wrong. This is just curious observation. So see if you can bring your attention down to the soles of the feet and see if there's anything to notice, like tingling or itchiness or warmth or coolness. And then you could move that attention up to your knees, the front of your knee, the back of your knee. We're just drawing a map in your brain of your body. We're connecting back in. And coming up from your knees to your hips and your pelvis. Can you feel the weight of your pelvis? If you're laying on the floor, can you feel if one side of the pelvis is heavier than the other? Or if you're seated, does it feel like one side of your pelvis is pressing down a little more? And coming into the tailbone, noticing the tailbone and the whole length of your spine all the way up to the base of your skull. Can you bring your awareness to this beautiful, strong structure within you? And then coming into the front of the body, into the ribs and the lungs. As you inhale, can you feel your ribs moving apart from each other? Expanding and taking in. And as you exhale, can you feel your ribs coming back together? Releasing and letting go. Can you sense your heart or your heartbeat? Bring your attention now up to your shoulders. Do the shoulders feel evenly placed, or is one a little higher than the other? Coming down into the palms of the hands, an area we're very familiar with. What's happening in the palms of your hands? Any tingling, any warmth? Can you bring your awareness into your fingertips? Can you notice your fingertips? Coming up to the elbows. The front of your elbow, the inside of your elbow. And then back up to the base of your neck. Noticing your neck. Is there any tension here or tightness? Is your head on your neck pulling you forward, or is your neck aligned with your spine? Coming up into your jaw. Are your teeth together or slightly apart? Where is your tongue resting naturally? Noticing the muscles around your mouth. Is there a way to relax your mouth just a little bit more? Releasing those muscles. And coming up around the eyes and between the eyes. What does this space feel like for you? Coming into the forehead and to the top of the head. Can you be aware of the distance from the top of your head to the soles of your feet? Can you be aware of the shape that your body takes? And now bringing your awareness out a little bit further into the senses. Can you notice any sounds that you hear around you? See if you can bring your focus just to a single sound. Can you notice the touch of the air on your skin? Can you feel the air touching your skin? Is it warmer or cooler? Is there a taste lingering from breakfast or your coffee? Inhale through your nose and see if there's a fragrance or a scent that you can notice. And finally, notice any shapes or light or pictures running on the screen of the back of your eyelids. What do you see there? And then just come back to your breath. Inhaling through your nose, if that's possible for you. And exhaling, extending and slowing the exhale down. You could explore the exhale as a sigh or through pursed lips or just through your nose. But explore the sensation of extending and slowing the exhale. How does this feel in your body? And then just noticing your body as a whole, your whole body. Bring your awareness to your whole body. And you could consider one last nice big inhale and exhale. And then when you're ready, you can wiggle your toes or some movement in the body. You could open your eyes gently. And just notice if you feel a little more connected with yourself as a whole, but with your body in particular.